starts the day with me and this Lego number drink.
Welcome to Rainbow Learning. We'll be a Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So delicious, that's it.
Let me
Well, you're also going to teach you on a kids' choir session. Wow, in a kids' choir session, you need more people.